Are you trying to decide between Auto DS and dropship.io? You're not alone. Many people want to know which tool is better for dropshipping. In this video, we will compare these two platforms. Both help you manage your online store. They automate tasks and make dropshipping easier, but they have different features and pricing. Let's start with Auto DS. This tool focuses on automation. It helps you find products, list them, and manage orders. AutoDS also offers price monitoring. If prices change, it can adjust your listings automatically. This saves you time and effort. Now, let's look at dropship.io. This platform also helps with product sourcing and listing. However, it has a strong emphasis on analytics. You can track your sales and see which products perform best. This helps you make better decisions for your store. So, what are the main differences? AutoDS is great for automation. It handles many tasks for you. On the other hand, dropship.io provides more insights. If you want to analyze your sales, it's a better choice. When it comes to features, AutoDS offers bulk listing and inventory management. Dropship.io shines with its detailed reports and analytics tools. Both have their strengths, but it depends on what you need. Now, let's talk about pricing. AutoDS usually has a subscription model. Dropship.io might have different plans based on features. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you want automation and ease of use, go with AutoDS. But if you prefer data and analytics, dropship.io might be the better fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.